Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to fix the Claude app update not installing issue. So if your Claude app is not updating, stuck on loading, or the update keeps failing, just follow these simple fixes. First, you need to check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable and working properly. If the connection is weak, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and try updating again. Next, you need to make sure you have enough storage on your phone. For that, you need to go to settings and then general and tap on iPhone storage. If your storage is full, delete some unused apps or files. The next step is to sign out and back into your Apple ID. For that, you need to go to settings, tap on your Apple ID, scroll down and tap on sign out. Then sign back in and try updating the app again. If the issue still continues, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Claude app. Lastly, you can also try restarting your iPhone. Press and hold the power button and volume button together until the power slider appears. Turn off your phone and wait for a few seconds. Turn it back on again and try updating the app. Lastly, the problem could be from Apple server or Claude server. If there's a server issue, the update may fail for some time, so you need to wait for some time and then try updating it again. So those were some easy ways to fix the Claude app update not installing issue. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorial videos. Thank you for watching.